So yes, Astha, you can begin the session.
Hello, good morning. Last lecture we learned that report writing. What is report? Formal in nature and written for a specific purpose. Objective of report writing like an inspection report, annual report, recommendatory report, etc. Characteristic of a good report, reader friendly, defining the purpose. The report write various purpose, reliability and relevance. The fact and details in the report should be reliable. KISS keep it short and simple. The report must be brief and don't use decorative language. Use adequate language. Do, do not use jargon and acronyms. Organize and well structured. Types of report: descriptive report and analytical report. Former of report: manuscript, memo, letter, and reprint. We are following memo and letter report. In this report writing, start introduction, body, conclusion, recommendation, and appendix. Difference between abstract and summary. Thank you.
Good, Astha. Chalo, for presenting the summary of our previous session. Now, whose turn for the ending session? Kiska turn hai? Okay, your turn for to end the session. Very good, Shelby. Fine. So today, what we are going to learn is today we are going to do group discussion. So first, I will you can say give you brief information about the group discussion, and there will be practical task and where we all are performing in group discussion. Okay, that way we will go. So it is a well formatted tool for judging the candidates, evaluate an individual's team playing skill. It assesses individual trait, group behavior, and leadership qualities. So there should be smooth flow of information and interaction. So what is group discussion? You can see that it is a well formulated tool. So your skill can be judged here within a group discussion. You can say the number of skill can be judged, candidates number of skill can be judged. That is why group discussion is one of the best way to judge the candidate that whether he or she is appropriate or not. So team playing skill, individual trait as well as team playing skill, group behavior, leadership quality. So these skills will be judged whenever you are performing in any kind of group discussion. Now, what is group discussion? So group is a, it is a collection of individuals who have regular contact and frequent interaction and who work together to achieve a common set of goals. While discussion is the process whereby two or more people exchange information or idea in a face-to-face situation to achieve a goal. So the goal or end product may be increased knowledge, agreement leading to action, disagreement leading to competition or resolution. Now, group discussion, it means you know the meaning of group. Group means maybe there will be a you can say individual who have regular contact and frequent interaction who work together. Group means to those who are working together to achieve a common set of goal. So to work together to achieve common set of goal. Well, discussion means it's a process where two or more people exchange information. So here If we see the characteristic, then topic is given for discussion. So groups of 8 to 10 candidates are formed. Their groups are leaderless. Given time limit of 30 minutes. Depending on the infrastructure or you can say venue, candidates are asked to sit in a circular. This is right now not required, but I'm just giving you information for future, because nowadays most of the companies are, you can say, doing group discussion to shortlist the candidate. So it is a very good tool to shortlist the candidate, and that is why today we all are going to perform. It is a part of our syllabus even. So in this, there is a presence of selection panel. Panel, you can say technical, executive, and human resource executive of the company. Rules of the GD are explained after the initial introduction of the panel. So you will, after the introduction of the panel, you will be informed about the, you can say, the rules of the GD. Now, then after the panel assign the topic and observe the discussion. What they will do, they will observe the discussion either directly or from the behind the scene. So sometimes they directly observe your behavior, and sometimes they indirectly, means through the help of technology, cameras, or you can say by transparent glass, whatever way they choose, but they will observe your discussion directly or indirectly. Sometimes panel may provide some time for thinking before starting a, you can say, GD. They will provide some kind of time, and sometimes they don't provide. So dependent on the, you can say, panel. The structure of a GD, it begin with greeting and clearly setting the topic of discussion. When you entering a discussion, it should begin with greeting and clearly starting the topic of discussion. Opening remarks means opening should be strong and interesting. Comments, give your opinion regarding the topic supported by facts and figures. So whenever you want to give any kind of opinion, your opinion should be fact, and it should have some kind of, it should be supported by some kind of fact and figures. Conclude, conclusion should be, you can say, coming to a common opinion towards the end of the GD. So at the end there will be some kind of conclusion, and here we can't use any kind of new ideas, or you can say new points. We have to just conclude whatever GD was there. Now, what would be the answer?
Hello, ma'am, your mic is off.
Sorry. Thank you, Zaki. Who is there? Who informed me?
Zenith.
Yes, Zanet. Thank you for informing me. So, do you know हम कब मेरा माइक ऑफ था, तो ये हुआ
Yes,
था
ma'am,
या ये बाकी?
ये slide, हाँ ये बाकी है यहाँ से, yes.
Okay. So how you will be evaluated, this is the most important thing that you need to learn, that your evaluation and analysis process, not for today but for future even, you need to keep in mind whenever you are performing for GD, that these things will be considered On the basis of this criteria, you will be evaluated. Keep in mind this thing. These are the criteria for evaluation. So first is knowledge, team spirit, communication, leadership skills, group behavior. These are the things we will see in detail, because we all know how what is GD, we all perform, but we do not know how we will be judged. So these are the criteria to be judged. Knowledge, in this knowledge, your knowledge should be, you can say, depth and range of knowledge will be judged. Your analytical and organizational abilities. So, and most important thing is originalities of ideas. How original you are. Then, knowledge and initiative contributes to one's success. How initiative you are. And another point important is how it should be you are relevant, rational, convincing, and interesting and appeal. See, these are the criteria. How rational, convincing, interesting, and appealing. So the key skill, you can say, for knowledge. The overall point, if I want to conclude this knowledge into, is problem solving attitude. So what they want to see through the knowledge is, do you have the problem solving attitude or not? So here you have to be creative and come up with divergent and offbeat solutions. So you have to be creative and come up with divergent and offbeat solution. This thing they want to know, that which kind of, what is the range of your thinking, how much you can think. Next is communication skill. Here, active listening. This is the most important thing. Clarity of thought, expression, appropriate language, and appropriate of body language. We will see in detail, because active listening, it is very important. If you do not listen properly, ultimately you are not able to, you can say, contribute properly. So you need, first rule is you need to listen properly. Here, sometimes you can say posing question by selection panel. Selection panel sometimes pose the question at the end. So to identify the active listener, they want to know that who are the active listeners. So you have to first listen whosoever is speaking very carefully and very patiently. You have to listen. Next is clarity of thought and expression. So it is the one kind of ability to influence and convince others. But your tone should be correct tone, voice, and articulation. This thing should be, you can say, proper. Though we are sometimes disagree with some point of time, but then also we should not, you can say, fight. But this is also a skill, that when we are disagree, and how politely we can, you can say, deny or disagree with others. So it is not necessary that we are agree with each and everything whosoever is speaking. We can definitely disagree, and we should disagree with the wrong thing. But this disagreement should be in a polite way. So a lively and cheerful voice with appropriate modulation is likely to be examples. For example, a tone that orders is abrasive and may hurt the listener's self-esteem. So your message should be conveyed effectively. Appropriate language, again, your language should be free from grammatical errors. It should be direct, clear, precise, with ideas following in an organized manner. So your ideas should be in organized manner. It should not look like a patchwork. That scattered idea will not be welcomed. So your idea should be in an organized way, and try to keep it simple, and avoid ambiguous language. Ambiguous means, you can say, dual language. When we are not clear, this is called ambiguous language. When we are not talking clearly, straight to the point. So we need to avoid this kind of language. We need to use jargons. We need to avoid jargons. So we should keep in mind this thing, that complications. Sometimes people are thinking that if I use complicated words and complicated language, then it does not create any kind of impact. but your content does. Means that if your content is good, then definitely there are higher chances to be selected for interview. But if your content is not good, then complicated word and language will not help you at all. If you are thinking that my English is good and my language is good, but it will not help you if you do not have sufficient content. And you have to create impact in a positive manner. Positive body language and gesture, as we have seen, the gesture, mannerism, these are the most important thing. They speak more than words. We know this. Gesture speaks more than words. So confidence, posture, appropriate facial expression, meaningful eye contact definitely create, you can say, positive impact. And you need to control your emotions, and you will not to display your emotion. So we are, you are tense, you are, you can say, having some kind of issues, or you can say you are worrying, you are you are having stress, tension, whatever you are feeling. But our posture and gesture, you can say, should be like that, that they, this your posture and gestures should not disclose this kind of things. By the way, posture and gesture are the part of which thing in communication skill we have studied? Chalo, let me know. Posture and gestures are the part of which topic which that we have studied from unit number 1? Chalo, I want the answer. Non-verbal communication. Selvi, your answer is right, but there is some kind, there is topic. The name of the topic, I'm just asking, what is the name of the topic? No, it is not the body language. Chalo, I'm giving you hint. It starts with K. K. Very good, Astha. Very good. And very good, Shelby. Both of you good. Chalo. The name is kinesics. Kinesics, not kinetics, Shelby. It's not kinetics, it's kinesics. Astha, your answer is right. So you do not know this word, then I'm really shocked that what will happen when the final exam will be there, because you just remember that the topic that we have done just before few days ago. It is called kinesics, where we have seen that gesture, posture, our head movement, eye contact, hand movement. So we need to control over our gesture and posture. Next is team spirit, then interaction with other members, emotional and maturity. Balance helps to build good interpersonal relationship. So here the important point is more people centric than less egocentric. So your team spirit should be people centric, not the egocentric. So what kind of quality you will be judged is coordination and cooperation. So company want to see that how coordinately and how cooperatively you can work. So ideal candidate will share with time with others, listen, react to their views. So active interest in the processing of GD by throughout the involvement. So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you just in the beginning or at the end you just present your view and then throughout the GD आप गायब हो जाओ. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Throughout the GD your involvement should be active throughout the GD, not like in the beginning or ending or once or twice. Leadership skill, candidate who possess both functional and coordinating ability. This is called abilities. They want to see your ability, functional ability as well as coordinating ability. So your knowledge, mental and physical energy, emotional stability, objectivity, communication skill, integrity, and emotional intelligence. Everything will be judged. Group adaptability and group motivation. So how motivating you are. This is called the part of leadership quality. Group behavior. Now, your proper behavior involving, you can say, reticent participant in the group, coordinate diverse viewpoint, bring the discussion back on the track. This happens that sometimes if you think that the discussion is going offbeat, then you can say bring the discussion on the track. So you can do this thing. It is also called one of the good group behaviors. Types of leader, it is called authoritative, amiable, and democratic. So try to those kind of you can say people, you can see the types of leader. One, you can say कृपा दीदी डोर बंद करो तुम्हारा. कृपा दीदी authoritative, amiable, and democratic. In this authoritative, you can see there are the leader who try to impose their will or values. Will means their wishes, their you can say their wanting on the others. Block the discussion if does not move as per the desire. So this is completely wrong image of you can say leader. Next is amiable. Here in this leader, this quality, try to avoid conflict and always try to maintain peaceful environment. So here leader, what leader does? He try to avoid conflict, and to avoid conflict, he try to maintain peaceful environment. This is also wrong thing. But the last one is democratic, that include everyone in the discussion and express their feeling and opinion openly. So a leader should, you can say, include each and everyone into the discussion, and he or she should allow their members to, you can say, open the discussion and free, open the discussion free. They can openly discuss their points, their argument, or you can say their ideas. So this is called democratic leaders. Which of this is not the part of evolution analysis? Chalo. Yes, reading skill, good. So reading skill is not the part of the evaluation in analysis, knowledge, strength, spirit, and leadership skill. Now, do's and don'ts of GD. As usual, listen to subject carefully. Put down your thoughts on a paper. So if you think that if you can put your thought on a paper, so it will help you when the GD is going on. Next is initiate the discussion if you know the subject. So if you know the subject well, then you can initiate the group discussion and listen to others if you do not know the subject. And yes, if you do not know, then we have to listen. Support your point with some fact and figures. So you have to support your figure points with some facts and figures. Make short contribution of 25 to 30 seconds, 3 to 4 times. See, if the GD is around 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, then your contribution should be 3 to 4 times minimum. I'm talking about, and it should be near around 50 to 30 seconds. Next is, this is the minimum criteria. You can contribute more if you know more. Then give others a chance to speak. So it should not look like that you are dominating. Dominating is completely a negative terminology. You should give chance someone. You should give a chance to speak someone. Speak politely and pleasantly. Respect contribution from others members. So if you are disagree, politely, and agree with what is right. So if you are disagree with some kind of point, then you need to disagree with politely, and if you are agree with what is right, and you it is your I'm not telling that you are disagree with the wrong thing. Definitely you should agree with the right thing only, but you have to disagree with politely, and you have to summarize the discussion. If the group has not reached a conclusion, then it is also called a good quality, that if you summarize the group, if you summarize the GD, and you if you begin the GD the same way, if you summarize the GD, it is also good quality. So now this is completely opposite of do's. So here is don'ts. Again, do not, if you do not have sufficient knowledge, then you do not initiate the group discussion. Do not overspeak, and you can say don't intervene, or you can say snatch others chance to speak. So ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए कि दूसरों का चांस मिल ले के बोलता ही रहो, so दूसरों का चांस ही नहीं आए. This is the wrong thing. Argue and shout during the GD. It is again, it's a part of don'ts. Continues looking towards the evaluator, or you can say particular group member. This is also a wrong body gesture and posture. You can say talk irrelevant thing and distract the discussion. This is again don'ts. Pose negative body gestures like touching the nose, leaning back on the chair, knocking the table with a pen. You have seen this kind of gesture. This is again completely a wrong thing to do during the GD. Mention erratic statistics, means illogical statistics. If you mention this kind of thing, then again it will create completely negative image. Display low self-esteem with shaky voice and trembling hands. You have seen this kind of behavior: shaky hands, trembling hands, shaky voice. This shows the low confidence. So you need to control on your body gesture and posture and your emotions. Try to dominate the discussion. This is again completely wrong thing. If you want to dominate the discussion, put others in an embarrassing situation by asking them to speak if they don't want. This is also one of the important thing, that if somebody does not want to speak, then we can't ask them again and again. This is because this will create negative image about the candidate. So these are the do's and don'ts. Now these are the topic of GD, but we will start with Which topic you want to start? Because right now 10:09, we will take two group discussion. We can finish two round. We can finish. So one majority. What is your choice? One will be from your side, one will be from my side. एक मैं बोलूंगी वो आपको करना, एक आप अपने हिसाब से बोलो मुझे क्या आपको. Which topic you all want to participate? All. Why I am asking? Because so you all can speak well. That is why. On which topic you can speak all? You all can speak. Which will be easier to you all? Hurry up, students. Otherwise, I will give as per my choice. Within 2 minutes, I won't answer. Otherwise, I will give one topic. Making India. Okay, Making India campaign. Very good. Chalo, we are going to start with Making India campaign. Fine. So I'm highlighting this topic. You have to start with Making India campaign. In this making, now I'm going to give some kind of rule. Now you have to prepare whatever you want to prepare. I will give just 5 minutes time to prepare for this GD. So your time starts now. Hurry up. So you have to prepare points, whatever points you want to speak. You have 5 minutes time, and 2 minutes has already been gone. Hurry up, students.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
So it's done now. All of you come up here. Today there will be no writing task. You all have to prepare oral. So what you have to do is, now listen. I am telling the rules. Rules for GD. Now rules are like, I'm not going to, you can say, interfere anywhere during the GD. Throughout the GD, I won't speak any a single thing. We will perform GD as like, you can say, with your placement is taking GD, because I'm the part of. I have seen many GDs. When there was a placement, they invite us and we went there in past. So I have witnessed many GDs. So on the base of the company, how the company is taking GD, we will take GD. Okay. So we have to maintain the dignity of the GD, and you all know now do's and don'ts. And I won't speak anything. I will just evaluate. My role will be evaluator. Okay. I will evaluate you all, that how you all are speaking, and you will be evaluated on the 5 criteria that we have seen. So your time starts now. Who want to speak? Who want to, you can say, initiate the GD? Who wants to initiate the GD? Hurry up.
Madam, can I speak?
Who wants to initiate the GD? Hurry up.
Madam, I can start.
Definitely. Very good, Shelby. Start. So now over to you all. I'm not going to speak a single thing. Your GD starts now, because Selvi is going to begin this GD, and I will just evaluate you all. Okay, your time, your start. Start, Selvi.
Make in India campaign was launched by a Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th of September in 2014. It is an innovative to make a call to a top business investor all across the world for investment in India. It is a big opportunity for all the investors to set up their business in any kind of any field anywhere in a country. Their attractive plan has successful proposal for foreign companion to set up a manufacturing unit in skill. Make in India campaign launched by the Indian government focus on building effective physical infrastructure. It also means for improve the market of digital network in the country to create a global hub for business. Unit symbol and its signification. The symbol for this invention is the giant lion having many wheels. These indicate peaceful progress and vital to the vibrant future of the country. A giant walking line with many wheels represent courage, strength, uh, technicity, and wisdom.
If you all won't speak, then after 30 minutes your GD will be ended, and who perform well, that will be judged.
But
Shall we,
Shelley,
ma'am?
Well,
You have to imagine like you all are, you can say, in real GD, okay? So you have to perform like that way.
મેડમ કોઈ નથી બોલતી તો હું કન્ટિન્યુ કરું આગળ.
If nobody wants to speak, then what we can do? What about you all? You don't want to perform GD, then we can give. Then I will give some kind of writing assignment. You all will be fine with writing tasks. So you have to write a GD.
Ma'am, my point is
Huh.
banning Chinese product would be first step
You are
towards
not
Make
supposed
in
to
India.
address me, Zaki. Nobody needs to address me. My role is evolutionary. You need to address to all whosoever is the part of the GD. Okay, you can start like
Okay,
that.
okay. Yeah. Selvi, my point is banning Chinese product would be the first step towards Make in India.
but which is more better, Make in India or Made in India? Make in India is focused more on attracting foreign investors, and Made in India is manufactured to our country.
both are important for this.
What I thinking is I need to end this GD because you do not understand what is GD, and here only 3 to 4 persons are performing in GD. So there is no use of doing this kind of GD. So what you all want to do? You all want to participate so we can or you want to change the topic, or what you all want to do? Because I am confused. Because yesterday we have done the same GD in this in your class, batch number C. You asked them how they all performed. How they all perform? You asked them. It was One of my best experience with this batch that they perform very well, very very well. But in your class and the same batch is not performing at all.
Ma'am, can I speak? Actually, I have written. That's why.
Yeah, you can. But this way you can't do this. Like when the GD is going on, it means that you all have to speak one by one. And here some of the students like Vansi, Nirali, Mishi, Yatesh, what you all are doing? Diksha, Kishan, Kushal, Milan, what you all are doing? Sachin, Umang, Chirag. So this is the last time I'm starting. Otherwise, I will end this GD and we will do something else. Start. Because after and
Okay,
I definitely 10:40 we are going to end this GD because I will give all the topic. That is why. Start. You have 10 minutes now. Last.
okay. This Make in India is major national program of the government of India designed to investment, skill development, and etc. in our company. I want to tell people of the whole world, come make in India, come and manufacture in India. Go and sell in any country of the world, but manufacture here. We have skills, talent, discipline, and the desire to do something new. We want to give the world opportunities that comes and make in India. The focus of Make in India program is on 25th sector. This includes the automobiles components, electronic system, IT, defense manufacturing, electrical machinery, media components, and so on. For the campaign of Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Make in India on September 25th, 2014, with the primary goal of making India globally manufacturing hub. By the encourage both of multinational as well as domestic companies to manufacture their product within this our country. In some new process, the government is introducing several reforms to create a possibilities to getting foreign direct investment. It's called FDI and business partnership to the India. So these are the playing the main and importance role to make in India campaign. Thank you.
Ma'am, hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sai Kishan. Yes, Sai Kishan.
Can I start?
But why you are asking me? You need to again. I am telling this. You all understand. Don't understand the role of the what it is your role. And I'm really confused what this page is doing on. I at the same PPT, the same teaching I have done yesterday. That you no need to you can address me. You need to address. Why are you asking? The GD is going on. Carry on. Start.
Make in India to awaken India. India is the third largest growing economy of the world. India is the immense pool of opportunities with cheap labor and abundant resources. The export-led manufacturing is definitely going to raise the economy of India and will benefit the country by exploring more job opportunities. Make in India campaign is a strong campaign that favors the growth of India if continued on the high track with a strong and transparent system. Concerns: poor infrastructure, roads, electricity are deferring the foreign investors to invest in India. India should focus more on development of energy resources and development of infrastructure. To fulfill the vision of Make in India, the investment could be invited in these sectors. The necessities will be to do away with red tapeism and operational glitches to make the Make in India campaign successful one. Okay.
High GST rates, a big drawback to Make in India project.
Saqib, please repeat your question.
High GST rates. Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible? High
Yes, you are
GST rates,
audible.
a big drawback to Make in India project.
There are many drawbacks in Make in India, like negligence of agriculture, depletion of natural resources, the loss for small entrepreneurs, disruptions of land manufacture-based economy, pollution, like, but they have many advantages, like it will definitely help for the growth of Indian GDP as well as increase the value of Indian currency, or our own investor will retain in the country itself who were planning to move their business outside India due to lack of resources and clarity of policy issue.
How Make in India is going to benefit middle class families or the poor families.
See, we're telling another country to get to come over right here and open your company. And then in the middle class, like it's complete employee, then middle class people are also included and find a job for their manufacturing of a big country like Intel and over the another countries, another foreign countries. So that's the benefit of middle class family and also poor family.
Point is correct, but why we are inviting other countries to come over and build their product? Why don't we
Because
build
of we
our
are not
product?
that type of development country, because of that, like if we compare it with Indian with US and London, like we are not at that level, like because
Why?
otherwise we are trying to reach that. That's why.
We are not trying to reach. We are inviting others to come over and take over. We are not making our
Yeah,
product
because
and
of
sell.
that they are the good level, and we also reach that level. That's why we come we asked to come here and some doing some manufacturing over right here. That's why.
See, Gujarat Nano Factory failure is an evidence of failure of Make in India.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Gujarat Nano Factory failure is an evidence of failure
Yes.
of Make in India.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the evidence of fail of India.
Oh.
What are the steps we can take over to increase employment? I can say.
First of all, people just completed their graduation, like most of people like doing only like 10th and 12th and half of their college degree and all. So first of all they have to complete their degree graduation, and then it will be go further, what I am thinking.
According to my opinion, Make in India is better because, in line with the Make in India, individuals that launch their own local events such as Make in Odisha, Tamil Nadu Global Investor Meet, Vibrant Gujarat, etc. Magnetic Maharashtra. India received a $60 billion FDI per year, first year 2016 and 2017.
But why make in India? Why not made in India?
Fine, now 10:40 is been done, but good. Finally, some of the students started to speak.
The key Made in India refers to a home growth brand with its own identity in domestic or a foreign market. Example, Amul Butter Taste of India, whereas Make in India is not a brand but an instrument employed by a Indian government to deal with foreign countries.
So this will be beneficial for us or them.
Yes, of course, beneficial.
Zaki, what do you think made in India is what?
Made in India should be like we creating a brand like mobile brand like which is already in market. So we're selling, we're making it,
Which
we're
mobile
making in
brand
India.
is inducted manufactured in India? Tell me.
Carbon.
Carbon was the bandit, na?
No, it's not.
It was not right now. It not presently.
There are many brands.
Like
Let me check. See, I have listed four brands, Indian brands, which is Telcon, Eyeball, Intex Technologies, Carbon Mobiles. These are the Indian brands. Why don't we promote this instead of Xiaomi, Oppo, like this? That's my point.
Because the main point is that because of that that price regiment is not comparable to Indians because specification is more than Indian have, sorry, uh, Xiaomi, Realme have more specification over than this Intex, and better price range is also conducted by the Xiaomi. I mean to say Chinese brand. That's why, because of people are going for futures and not pricing. That's why.
For me, make in India and made in India both have their advantages and disadvantages. All have their own point of view. Like MI. MI is a made in India.
No, Shelby, MI isn't made in India.
MI is Chinese company.
Yes. You know what I'm thinking? That Indian company inputs a more specification with low price rent. That should be most, it would be good for our people, Indians people.
But my question is that why we do not concentrate on made in India instead of make in India?
Because made in India, India does not have that much manufacturing hub or big companies that can manufacture. I am not saying that India does not have at all. India it is having, but not that much as compared to foreign countries, as compared to developed countries. So to manufacture more in India, we are inviting foreign companies. So to start making India.
But why? What is the reason behind this? China works on made in China, not make in China. So that's why China is far ahead in manufacturing field.
That's what I am saying. Which big companies are in India of Indian only. They are working on it, but not at that much speed, or not. We are not having that much development.
We don't have development because we're promoting others instead of ours.
But we have to promote good things.
What about development?
Both are on its place. Make in India and made in India.
Yes.
So is this your conclusion point?
We have to promote Make in India because only in Made in India we cannot grow that much.
Made in India is important, but we do not reach at that level if
Yes, exactly. We are on not that level that we are stopped that Make in India is not in India.
Exactly. GDP is not depend on two or three people. It would be all over the people who are living in India.
We should promote equally.
Okay, that should we know. But what about the other people? What they are thinking about us? What they are think same as well we are thinking. So we see all over
At
the
present,
people.
We are here to discuss things, man.
Oh,
And this is not a debate. This is GD.
I feel same. I feel same.
Like we're debating each other on Make in India versus Made in India.
But nobody gives the answer. That's why.
It's okay.
but as present we are on India is at not that stage that we should promote equally Make in India and Made in India. We are at developing stage. So India is more promoting